Hi, I'm Maeve. I'm a national board certified math teacher, and I helped build Study's intelligent tutor. Let's imagine that you're a student who needs help. Well, all you've got to do is click on our little Study Buddy. I need help! Then you can engage with the solver, the tutor, or the practice button. Study will give you an overview of the problem, and that might be enough. But if it's not, you can click on Next Step. You'll get friendly explanations that make so much sense. But if you're still confused, click on the question mark. Sometimes it's hard to put your questions into words, so Study populates potential questions you might have. Now let's talk about the tutor. Instead of explaining how to do it, Study puts you in the driver's seat. You can choose I'm lost, I kind of get it, or I just have a question. And then it'll help you find your own way to the answer. It'll ask you for one small thing you know. And that's right, you do know one small thing. Everybody does. This is something I used with students for years, and it helped them build success, lift their own thinking, and find an approach that makes sense to them. When you're done solving the problem, Study will summarize your misconceptions and figure out what you need to remember for next time. It'll also give you a summary of the steps you took to solve the problem. And when you click on one of those steps, it gives you a beautiful mathematical overview. But wait, we're not done yet. Study has a third way to engage, learn, and grow, the practice feature. This feature generates unlimited similar practice problems. And if you get it wrong, it'll give you a hint specific to that misconception. You can then click Try Again or Get Help, and it'll take you back to the tutor. So remember, no matter what kind of help you need, just click on your Study Buddy.